kids. Today we discuss chapter 10, air. Okay, here is some warm-up. Name 3 things which work because of air. Anyone know that? आप बता सकते हो ऐसी कुछ चीजें जो एयर पे काम करते हैं? Tell me. First thing about yourself. That is breathing. बच्चों, हम जो सांस लेते हैं वो किसकी हेल्प से लेते हैं? एयर की हेल्प से लेते हैं. Okay. Also there are so many activities जो किसकी हेल्प से होती हैं? एयर की हेल्प से होती हैं. Okay. Here we discuss our chapter. All living beings need air to survive. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. When it moves, moving air is called wind. Students, क्या आपको पता है हवा कैसी दिखती है? नहीं ना? तो हम हवा को देख नहीं सकते बच्चों, लेकिन फील तो कर सकते हैं. आप बोलते हो ना आज हवा तेज चल रही है, तो जो हवा तेज चलती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? Wind. Let us know about air has weight, air has force, and air occupies space. Look at the pictures. You can feel air if you fan yourself. You can feel air on a moving two-wheeler. Okay, student? You can feel air on a moving two-wheeler. Okay, students? So everyone feel now? हाँ जी, ये तो सबने feel किया होगा. Now, let's discuss about the properties of air. That means आपको हवा के बारे में अब बहुत सारी चीजें जो है वो जाननी है students. The first one is air has weight. Are you know that? Air has weight. Yes, air has weight. Now, look at your books. Place the empty and the air-filled balloons on the either side of a weighing balance. So, for finding it, air has weight or not, what you will do? आपने क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स? एक बलून लेना है जिसको आपने क्या करना है, जिसमें आपको हवा भरनी है, और एक बलून लेना है जिसमें आपने हवा को फिल नहीं किया है. अब आपने वेइंग मशीन में एक साइड वो बलून रखना है बच्चों जिसमें हवा नहीं है और दूसरी साइड जिसमें हवा है. Then what you feel? The air-filled balloon is heavier than empty balloon. This shows that air has weight. That means बच्चों जिस बलून में एयर है वो क्या होगा? हैवी होगा. किससे बच्चा? जिसमें आपके एयर नहीं है. So इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है? That air has weight. Okay. Now look here. Look at the picture, students. This is a picture. In this picture, in a weighing machine, one side is air-filled balloon, on the other side is unfilled balloon. Air has force. तो बच्चों अब हम जानेंगे एयर के पास क्या होता है? फोर्स होता है. अब ये हम कैसे जानेंगे? Now let's discuss about it. We see all the things are blown into air. In a storm, sometimes trees are broken. When we move against wind, we feel the force of the wind. It means, students, कभी आपने फील किया है जब बहुत तेज हवा चलती है तो आपको लगता है वो आपको पुश कर रही है. So that is force. और कभी कभी क्या होता है जब बहुत तेज हवा चल रही होती है तो पेड़ क्या हो जाते हैं बच्चों? टूट जाते हैं. So that is also force. और ये यहाँ से हमें क्या पता चलता है कि air has force. Now, air occupies space. Now, air occupies space. Blow air into a balloon. See how it becomes bigger and bigger. Air fills up the space inside the balloon. So we can say that air occupies a space. It means, students, क्या air का कोई अपनी जगह होती है? कोई बता सकता है? Yes, होती है बच्चा. कैसे? जब आप बलून को नॉर्मल रखते हैं तो क्या वो बड़ा होता है? नहीं. जैसे जैसे आप उसमें एयर फिल करते हैं उसका साइज क्या हो जाता है बच्चों? इंक्रीज हो जाता है. So that shows कि air occupies space. Okay, look in this picture. Okay, you can see that in this picture. Here is a boy blowing air into the balloon. The balloon filled with air, the size will increase. So you can identify that air occupies space. Now we have check and mate. Fill in the blanks with correct words. We cannot see air. Moving air is called wind. Air does not have weight. No, air has weight. Students, air has weight. Okay. Now we will discuss uses of air. Air helps boats to sail and gliders to move. Moving air can dry wet cloths. Fast-moving air can turn the blades of windmills. People, animals and plants need air to breathe, as I told you. Okay? So students, what is this? Air helps us in many ways. Look at the picture. Here is windmill, sailboat, swimming tube and tire tube. Do you know? Windmills helps to generate electricity. So students, air helps to generate electricity. Okay? Air can be filled into footballs, swimming tubes and bicycle tires. Air is needed for lighting fire and to keep it burning. That means a student for fire. That means आपको आग जलाने के लिए भी किसकी जरूरत होती है बच्चों? हवा की जरूरत होती है. Okay? Now we have an activity. Draw and color the two things that fly in air. So you can draw it by yourself. Here is fast and strong winds can cause a storm. Sometimes the wind blows very fast and storm. Fast and strong winds can cause a storm. Fast and strong wind can cause a storm. A storm can hurt human beings and animals. Storm can cause damage to houses, crops and trees. It means students जब हवा बहुत तेज चलती है तो क्या होता है? वो storm बन जाता है, तूफान बन जाता है और उससे क्या होता है? उससे एनिमल्स को भी बच्चे हार्म होता है और आपके ट्रीज भी टूट जाते हैं और कभी-कभी तो घर भी डैमेज हो जाते हैं. ओके, look here is some pictures. Okay, the tree is damaged by the strong wind. Okay, now we have check and mate. Write T for true and F for false statement. Moving air can dry wet clothes. Yes, it is true. Air is not needed to sail boats. It is false. Fast-moving wind is called a storm. Yes, it is true. Air is needed to breathe. Yes, it is true. What we learned in this chapter, now we will discuss it in a nutshell. All living beings need air to survive. Air occupies space, it has weight and force. Air helps us to sail boats and gliders to move. Air is filled in footballs and swimming tubes and bicycle tubes. Very fast and strong wind can cause a storm. Now let's discuss some keywords. Here is weight. How heavy a thing is. Wind. Moving air. Storm. Fast and strong wind. Force. Have capacity to move something. Okay, students? Now, thank you. We will meet again in the next